Hi, I have here a board from NEAT system from Lancia Thesis, and I will tell you how to make your rear view camera. First of all, I do not take any responsibility for damage what you do to your board. If you will do it wrong, you can cook it. So let's start. First of all, you have to take your connector, video connector, relay, 10 kilo ohm resistor and some wiring. Here with this connector, the red one is signal, the blue one is ground. The signal, with the signal you have to do some things. First of all, you have to find the pin number 23 on this connector. It is here, there between these 2 points, this and this one. There should be a 0 ohm resistor. Just unsolder it to break up the circuit, then solder the cable with signal to this point. It will come to the number 23, and here you have the signal to your screen on your NEAT system. Then the ground from your video, from your camera, I solder it here. This is the ground of the circuit board. Okay, the second one, you have to solder cable to pin number 16. This is the signal from your processor to your screen. Then solder it to the COM in your relay. Then when the circuit is closed, the signal you have to solder it here, nearby the processor. So from this point, from this point it comes to this leg of processor. This is the signal, video signal, which came to your screen, and when you do not have reversed gear, it will display everything as normal. And then to shut down this original screen and initiate from your rear camera, you have to ground this signal from processor to the ground of your board, here exactly, and you have to make it through the 10 kilo ohm resistor. Then so it comes from here. When you where is focus? When you take reverse, the circuit will close, and you just ground, and you ground the signal from processor through this 10 kilo ohm resistor, and it initiates the number 2 input to your screen on your ECS, which is a Philips, by the way. Another thing what you should to do, you have to break the original circuit on the board. Okay, then so here it is from that side, and here it is where you should break the circuit. And this one here, is just that wiring here. So you just cut this circuit, solder wire here to the relay and to the socket, and that should be it from here. And of course you have to make some wiring that initiate the relay, and you put here the blue one again is a ground, the red one is plus 12 volts, and those 12 volts you just simply take from your rear light. This is the simple diagram of the relay. This is what you have to do.